Hey guys and gals, hope everyone's doing well. This next mod is going to be super easy and super quick. If you've ever wanted to change this dummy key in your Porsche 991, it's very easy to do. Now, if you want, you can go online to any of the Porsche parts websites and order a replacement one in any color you want for around $100, $110. Or you can go onto AliExpress and find the exact same thing for about $5. It's a dummy key. It's probably made in China, even though you would think that everything in this car is made in Germany. It's not. But nonetheless, this is the dummy key. It is exactly like the one in here. And normally, when you have your key in the car, and you have this is for cars with Porsche entry and drive. If you have your key in the car and you turn the ignition on, everything lights up and allows you to be ready to start the car. I am not going to do that because I am in my garage with the door closed. But to change this key, you have to take the key out of the car. I take the actual key out of the car. Now I go to turn the key, and it tells me key not found, key fault, or change key position. Well, what you do is you turn it off once, turn it back on, and now it says operating device, turn to the left, pull out, and insert key. So I turn it out, you hear that little click, pull it out, here it is. These are the two keys side by side to each other. They are virtually the same. Stick the new key in, and we're good. The key is in, there is no issue, ready to go. Again, I'm not going to start the car right now because I'm in the garage, but you could see how easy that was, and that was probably one of the shortest videos I'll ever make on this channel. So hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think, and we'll see you soon.